welcome back to another video. As you can see, my name is from our channel. We got a special guest today, introducing Salvayas from Grizzly DNS. Their channel will be on the description
Down below, so go subscribe if you haven't already. We're gonna be filming some trick shots, the most amazing trick shots you guys will ever see. So, at a speaker, we actually got secret energy that we take to help us make all these shots like this. Let's get back to the video. The bowling bowler. Yeah, guys, this is the hand backward shot.
Guys, I caught this kick the field goal shot. Football hike shot.
Alright, this is the bouncing off everything shot, so let's go. Catch it.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. All these shots were professional, they were not fake.
No scam at all. Professional right here. So
Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel. Their channel is going to be in the description.
down there in the description. So head on over to my channel and subscribe for some awesome videos. So I'm trying to get better at editing and stuff.
He's pretty good at stuff. Hit him up, but you guys had to pay him. I owe him a lot of money. Oh, but I paid him though.
But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. That's this awesome dude right here. Lots of awesome videos.
Him too.
I'm gonna be helping him out a lot. But yeah, guys, see you in the next video.
Peace.
Let go of everything.